Hello children, welcome back to math class. In your previous class, you have learned how to write large numbers. You have also discovered how the numbers in the universe can be made with 10 digits. Today, I am going to start the math class with a story. So all of you, be ready with your listening ears. The title of the story is The Very Hungry Alligator. This is the alligator. He is very hungry. He is looking for the food. Now listen what he is saying. I want food. The very hungry alligator is always hungry and it eats numbers as its food. Now listen what it is saying. I want numbers to eat. It always opens its mouth towards the large number. Okay, it always opens its mouth towards the greater number and shows its back towards the smaller number. Listen what alligator feels about it. I love to eat greater number as they are yummy and sweet. Alligator will find the biggest number and munch, munch, munch. In this story, whenever the alligator finds the biggest number, it will eat. Now, what will happen if the alligator finds both the numbers are same? If both the numbers are equal, alligator will eat both the numbers. Listen what it is saying. If the numbers are equal, I would love to eat both the numbers. So, this is the short story of the very hungry alligator. Now children, what did you learn from this story? The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. All of you repeat after me. The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. How is the alligator able to find the greater number? This is a question to think. So, in today's class, we will be learning how to compare the single digit numbers and two digit numbers. Now see, I'll tell you how the alligator is comparing the numbers. 5 and 3. Okay, it is opening 5 fingers and 3 fingers when it is finding 5 and 3. And slowly it is seeing which is the larger number. Now tell me which is the larger number? 5. So it is eating 5. Next, 2 and 4. Which is the larger number? 4. Now you have to become the hungry alligator and start eating the larger number. With your pencil you can draw the mouth of alligator like this. So here 4 is greater than 2 and 2 is less than 4. Okay. Now the next one is 8 and 8. Both are equal. So what will the alligator do? It will eat both the numbers. The next is 9 and 1. 9 is greater than 1. So it will compare it with the fingers 9 and 1. So 9 is larger. So it will eat the number 9. Now 6 and 6. It is equal to. Okay, so it is going to eat both the numbers. 4 and 7. 4 is lesser than 7. 7 and 3. 7 is greater than 3. Now, look at these numbers. One side it is 2-digit number and the other side it is 1-digit number. Alligator can compare this number very easily by looking at it. Here it is 2 digits and here it is 1 digit. Now tell me which will be the larger number? You can say that 35 is larger than 5 and you can say 35 is bigger than 5 and also you can say 35 is greater than 5. So alligator always eat the greater number, right? So it is going to eat number 35. Now 8 and 54. Now you tell me which is the larger number? I could hear you saying 54. Very good. 20 and 20. Both are equal. So now it is eating both the numbers. Very good. Now let's see how to compare 2-digit numbers which are on both the sides. Okay. So you know what alligator will do now? It will compare the tens place first. Look at the tens place. Here in 26, 2 is in tens place. In number 10, 1 is in tens place. 2 and 1. Which is bigger? 2 is big, right? So, 26 is greater than 10. It will eat 26 here. Now, look at these numbers 23 and 27. Which is bigger? First, it will compare the tens place. In tens place, both are equal. So, it is going to ones place to compare. Now, it will compare in the ones place. 3 and 7. Here, 7 is bigger. So, 27 is bigger than 23. It will eat. And you are very smart, right? You need not compare the tens and ones also always. You can look at the numbers and tell which is bigger. And if you have any doubt, and in that case, you can compare the numbers in tens place and ones place. Now, you can do more practice in your math practice book in page number 9. That's all for now. Thank you. See you in the next class.